So hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to use Google Forms, a free, easy and tool, free to use, to collect information of surveys, invitations, quizzes, registrations and more. Whether you are gathering research data or sending out a party invite, Google Forms makes it fast and customizable. So let's get started without wasting any more time. First of all, you have to head over to forms.google.com. You have to go to Google Forms. If you are signed into your Google account, you will be taken straight to the home page. As you can see, I am already on my home page, and if you don't sign into your Google account, then you may be signed it manually. Now from here you can either start from scratch with a blank form or choose a template like here find a time, contact information, etc. As you can see, by clicking on this template gallery you will find a bunch of templates from here. You can get a lot of type of templates like event registrations or RSVP or contact info. So let's just create a form from research. Okay, let's create a form. Let's choose any one. Okay, so let's search for something like research. Okay, let's just choose our previous made templates from here for contact information. So now for example, you can change the name of your forms from here if you want to, then like tap onto this side and then type anything like type. Okay, so this is how you can change the title of your video. So now you can customize this from, for example, let's change the title from contact information to something like research, a research form. Okay, now let's add some questions to it. For example, as you can see, these are the basic uh, pre-made questions to it, or you can say informations to add here. Let's say we want to delete any single of them. For example, let's delete the phone number. So to delete the phone number you have to choose the option, then you can see this three dot icon here. Also you can just simply tap onto delete. You can see this option delete, you can tap onto this and the question is now deleted. Now let's say we want to add some extra informations, such as you can also add guidelines such as answer honestly, your responses will remain anonymous, or this will only take 2 minutes. From the description you can write all of them. So now let's add some questions to it. At the right corner here you can see, at the top right corner, this plus icon, tap onto it, and as you can see the question is now added, like a new question bar is added. Now let's add some questions, for short questions. For example, what is your favorite hobby? Then you can answer it in the short answer questions if you wish to. Also you can choose multiple choices and you can add your choices. So let's say we want to add another question, so tap onto this plus icon and from there you have to add your questions. Let's add which pets uh, what okay, let me correct my spelling. What type of pets do you like the most? Then answer this. So let's change you to this. Now let's say we want to add multiple choice questions. So as you can see, tap onto multiple choice. Now you can edit your options. For example, I will add dog first, then I will add, let's say, add cats. So if you want to add another options. You can just simply have to tap enter like this, or you can tap add other. Now let's add cow, and lastly let's add lion, and then add elephant. Okay, so I think these are enough. Now that's it. And if you want to answer the question absolutely, like no one can publish or submit the form without answering that question, then you have to tap onto this required option right here. Simply tap onto required and they cannot skip the questions. This is how you can edit them, and you can use many more things from here. If you want to change the form's color, you can just simply choose from here. Right from here you can choose the background if you wish to from here. Also, let's say you want to add some custom colors. Let's say you want to add custom colors from here, you can add them if you wish to. If you want to upload image to the header, you can choose image from here, and then you can choose image from your file. Also you can choose image from your themes right from here. So this is how you can do it. Okay, let me add again and tap open. Wait until the loading is completed, and then you can crop it if you wish to. Now tap done. So there you go. As you can see, the image is now added to it. Wait until the loading is completed. Till then, let's change the color of the background. So here we can see this. You can also change the text if you wish to, like this. As you can see, the text has been changed. Let's change it to another one, Arial. Okay, this one is perfect. And let's change the question to Abgramon. This one is perfect. Okay, so this is how you can edit them. You can add more questions if you wish to, and then you can also preview it according to your wish. So that's it. Now let's say you want to publish it, then at the top right corner you can see this publish icon. Also you can see this option called share. If you want to share it personally to anyone, you can tap onto it. You can copy the link from here and then paste it to the person. And if you want to publish it, then just tap on to publish. Then you can have to choose your preferences, like if you want to send the forms to limited amount of people, or like anyone with the link. You just have to choose them. Now you have to choose them, like you can choose the editor view, you can sponsor view, and then tap done. So simply after clicking on done, your form will be published, and there you go, your form is now published. So that was it, the tutorial of Google Forms. And if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Till then, take care, see you in the next video.